Hello friends, welcome back to the money video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Lava mobile setting guys, and today friends I am going to show guys Lava mobile guys gesture settings, and today video title guys how to turn on gesture navigation in Lava mobile and how to use gesture navigation friends, one by one, step by step we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, open your Lava mobile phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your Lava mobile. Friends, in your Lava mobile, click here navigation bar setting. After on navigation bar setting, friends, click here gesture navigation setting. And friends, gesture navigation setting will on, and friends, how to use gesture navigation setting you can watch in this video. And friends, you don't know how to use, so don't worry friends, I will show you how to use. Friends, right side swipe and left side you can use back button, and when three button navigation will remove. And friends, if you own any app you want to go on home screen, so when swipe here you can go to your home screen page. And friends, again if you own any app, friends, you want to close your recent app, so hold here and friends you can check recent app and you can remove it. So like that friends, you can use Lava mobile gesture settings. Friends, you are in Wi-Fi setting, friends, you want to back, right swipe you can use back button, left side you can use back button. Recent app friends, hold here and you can close recent app in Redmi or Lava mobile. And friends, you don't want to use gesture settings, so friends again click here button setting and you can use button setting in your Lava mobile. Friends, gesture settings will remove. So friends, I want to use gesture settings, so guys I will set gesture navigation. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends you understood how to set gesture navigation mode in Lava mobile. Bye friends.